Hi everyone, this is a video on finding the area of a segment, and the segment we want is this area in blue here, so this area right in here. So the first thing we're going to do is find the area of a sector. Then we already know how to do the area of a triangle, then subtract. So when I'm talking about the sector, I'm talking about this whole piece here without the blue. So this whole piece, what's this area? All right, so basically we want our angle to be in radians. The first thing I'm going to do is convert 70 degrees into radians. I cross out my zeros here, so my angle is in radians is 7 pi over 18. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the area of the sector, and my r here is 8, so it's 1/2 8 squared times 7 pi over 18. So that gives me, and what are we in? We're in feet. So this gives us 112 pi over 9 feet. So that's the area of the sector. Now we're going to do the area of the triangle, and we know that is 1/2 with our basically when you're doing the area of a non-right triangle, you use one of these formulas like A equals 1/2 AB sine of gamma. So basically all we need is going to be, it's 1/2, and both of these sides are 8, so it's going to be 8 times 8, which is 8 squared, sine of 7 pi over 18, and that gives us 32 sine of 70 feet. Okay, so this equals 32 sine, if you want you can just put degrees, 70 degrees feet. And to do the segment you subtract, and so the area of the segment is, we're going to take the area of the triangle, which is 32 times sine of 70 degrees minus 112 pi over 9. Put that in your calculator, and you get approximately 9.03 feet. All right, so this is the formula for the triangle. This is the formula for the sector. This has to be in radians, but this angle, this gamma or alpha, whatever it's going to be, does not. Let's do one more real quick. All right, so we have another one. So we want to find the area of the sector, and then the area of the triangle is something like 1/2. If you do AB, then that would be sine of gamma. And we just know our AB on this one is both going to be 5. So first, the thing we're going to have to do, since for the area of the segment, we have to convert our 40 degrees to radians. So that's going to be 4 pi over 18, which is 2 pi over 9. So once we have that, the rest is pretty easy. Find the area of the sector, which is this whole piece here. It's like eating the whole piece of the pie. All right, and that's going to be 1/2. I'm going to go ahead and put 5 squared. It's 25 times 2 pi over 9, and that gives us 25 pi over 9 inches. We're talking about inches here. All right, and then the area of the triangle is just going to be 1/2, and I can do 5 times 5 is 25 again, and that's going to be sine of 40. And then so to do find the area of the segment, which is the blue piece, we're going to subtract. So we get the area of the triangle minus the area of the, minus the area of the segment gives you the area of the sector. I get my S's confused. So sector gives you the area of the, why do I keep drawing a triangle? Okay, gives you the area of the segment. So the area of the triangle is 1/2. Oh, the 1/2 goes away because that canceled. So it's 25 sine of 40 minus 25 pi over 9. And this should give you 0.69 inches. All right, sorry for my dyslexia here. All right, so there you go. And that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.